Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A spacious, loft-style room with a dramatic, triangular peaked roof. Flared black metal beams support a high, sloped ceiling with skylights creating a dramatic interplay of light and shadow. The interior design is modern with a dark color palette, rich blacks, golds, and warm beiges. A conical, black fireplace sits in the center of the room, flames dancing within its interior. A comfortable, sectional couch in a taupe/gray color with gold accents sits opposite the fireplace. Additional seating in the same style is scattered around the room. A series of low golden bar stools and tables with off-white tops are situated, like islands. Various potted tropical plants and a large banana plant add a touch of lush greenery. A modern, A-frame cabin nestled in a pine forest. Impressionistic style. The cabin is dark charcoal gray with a light beige/tan interior visible through large windows. The black, metal roof sharply contrasts with the surrounding natural environment. The decking around the cabin is dark gray. The forest floor is a mix of light tan and brown earth, with scattered large rocks. Many mature pine trees frame the cabin, creating a peaceful and secluded feel. A view of a light-colored mountain range can be seen in the background. Include a small, light tan/beige-colored accessory structure beside the main cabin, possibly an addition or a smaller building. Focus on the light filtering through the windows, illuminating the interior space. A cozy, modern A-frame cabin nestled within a misty autumn forest. Impressionistic rendering. Deep, vibrant oranges and golds of autumn leaves contrast with dark, rich greens of the surrounding trees and the muted browns and grays of the cabin's exterior. The cabin has a dark, contemporary design with a steep, sloped roof, large windows showcasing interior illumination, and a spiral staircase. The forest floor is covered in fallen leaves, creating a warm, earthy tone. Soft light suggests a slightly overcast or foggy day, enhancing the atmospheric mood. The cabin is situated slightly off-center, allowing the forest to dominate the background, with prominent trees and foliage. A modern, two-story A-frame home nestled within a landscape of deciduous trees. The home's exterior features a mix of cedar wood siding and dark gray stone veneer, creating a striking contrast. Large windows and sliding glass doors provide ample natural light, overlooking a well-manicured lawn with scattered leaves. The roof is a dark gray metal. The house design is angular and asymmetrical, with a covered patio area. Autumn colors of the surrounding trees are visible, displaying a mix of yellow, orange, and red foliage. The sky is a clear light blue. The overall aesthetic is contemporary and elegant, showcasing a blend of natural materials and modern architecture. A cozy, light-filled attic room with a vaulted wooden ceiling, featuring a large triangular window overlooking a snowy forest. A light beige/tan hammock hangs from the beams, casting a soft glow. A sectional sofa, in a rich burnt orange/camel color, sits below the window, accented with various patterned and textured throw pillows, creating a cozy and bohemian atmosphere. Wooden beams, flooring, and window frames are in light warm tones. A variety of houseplants are placed around, adding a touch of nature. A wicker basket and a small wooden table are also present. The overall aesthetic is warm and inviting, styled with a nature-inspired, bohemian touch, perhaps with an impressionistic or slightly painterly quality, whilst detailed and realistic. Mid-century modern A-frame cabin nestled in a pine forest at twilight. Large, dark A-frame roof with expansive glass windows showcasing a well-lit interior kitchen and living area. Warm, natural wood tones complement the dark gray exterior. Outdoor patio area with a large fire pit, surrounded by comfortable seating with burnt orange upholstery. Gravel and stone patio paving. The setting is a mountain meadow, with tall pine trees lining the background. Soft, diffused light from the interior and the fire pit create a warm atmosphere. A cool dusky blue sky with hints of gray and muted orange hues. Emphasis on natural textures, like wood and stone. A modern, sustainable mountain home nestled in a lush valley. A two-story structure with a contemporary design, featuring dark gray metal roofing, large glass windows, and solar panels on the pitched roof. The home is elevated slightly, with a deck accessed by exterior stairs made of dark metal and wood. The surrounding landscape is a mix of lush greenery, various shades of green trees and shrubs, and rocky terrain. The light is soft, casting a warm glow on the scene, giving a gentle impressionist feel. The distant mountain range stretches across the background, a mix of muted blues and grays. The colors are muted with a focus on natural tones. A tranquil, mid-century modern A-frame cabin nestled within a lush forest. The cabin, with dark brown wood shingles and large windows, features a spacious deck with a hot tub and a second, smaller hot tub. The hot tubs are surrounded by gravel and landscaping of ferns and greenery, creating a peaceful outdoor area. The forest floor is covered in muted greens and browns. The trees are tall and dense, casting dappled light and shadows. The overall impression is relaxing and warm, with muted, earthy tones. The lighting is soft, suggesting either early morning or late evening. Include details of the A-frame cabin windows, visible indoor living area, the warm glow of interior light visible through the windows, and the textures of the wooden decks and landscaping. A rustic, A-frame cabin nestled in a pine forest. The cabin, built of reclaimed wood and metal roofing, has a weathered, slightly distressed aesthetic. The roof is a mix of dark gray and reddish-brown metal panels. The cabin's walls are a mix of various wood tones, including gray, brown, and a touch of light beige. The windows are large and allow a lot of natural light into the space. A wooden deck extends out from the cabin, with picnic-style furniture and potted plants. The deck is a light brown wooden plank style. Scattered framed artwork, or possibly paintings, are mounted on the cabin's walls. A small grill sits on the deck. A second, smaller, rustic building is visible to the left of the main cabin. A modern, sleek A-frame house nestled within a lush tropical rainforest setting, bathed in warm, ambient light. The house is dark charcoal gray/black with large expanses of glass showcasing the interior spaces. The interior features a modern minimalist design with warm wood tones and accents of cream and beige. The house has large sliding glass doors that open onto a wooden deck. The surrounding landscape is vibrant green, filled with lush foliage, banana trees, and a small pond reflecting the house. The image is hyperrealistic, yet with a touch of cinematic lighting that highlights the architecture and the natural beauty of the forest. Include the details of the house's structure, with the triangular roof, metallic support beams, and glass wall framing. A modern, minimalist, house on a wooden dock over a calm lake, at twilight. The house, with dark gray/black roof and large, panoramic glass windows letting in warm, golden light, has a distinctive, A-frame design. The interior appears bright and inviting with light-colored furniture. The dock, light beige wooden planks, extends out over the still, dark reflective lake, mirrored reflections of the calm water. The surrounding forest, with trees in autumn colors, golden yellows and oranges, creates a tranquil and picturesque backdrop. A modern, minimalist Japanese-style house with a Zen garden. Large triangular windows frame a light-filled interior, with an open-plan living space visible through sliding glass doors. Dark gray slate roofing and black accents on the exterior walls contrast with the light wood interior. A meticulously designed Zen garden surrounds the house, featuring a gravel bed with gently raked patterns and carefully placed rocks of varying sizes and textures.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.